Said I missed the safety squints. I was too busy focused on you using the wrong tool for the job.
I'm just scoring it.
What to say? So we have a whole sawzall. We have a whole sawzall here.
Yes.
Another wrong tool for this job.
That's a thick metal blade.
Yeah, because I put it on there. You're about to do that with the wood ripper blade. Watch the chain.
More like watch the tire.
Watch everything. Okay, well luckily we put the oil cap back on.
Right.
Okay, I'll hold the motor. You just focus on
I got the motor.
Okay, I got the motor on this side.
I got it from underneath.
Can I just take time to tell you that you are cutting towards you?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, okay. The safety squints are going to save you from that.
Let's get this.
There you go. Now you're getting it. Yikes.
It's a hammer. That bitch ain't going nowhere.
Sweet.
I might actually have to kind of cut the hammer maybe.
Let's say, first let's check and make sure we can cut the tire.
It's good.
Okay.
I learned that from finding a used car.
You kick the tires? Yep, those are tires.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Now you're getting it. Ting. So we have a motor plate and a motor plank. Oh, he has a sawzall.
All right, let's try this.
Coke. I just can't get over engine plank. So most people have a motor plate. We have a motor plank. I told you the sketchy would work. And that is damn near straight, dog. That is very close.
Alright, so I'm pretty sure it's...
I like how we have a mirror. Is it fisheye? It's fisheye mirror, cool.
Yeah, I got another one on the side. Just in case. So we can see the behind us.
Yeah.
I don't know if anyone's going to be back there, but...
What I really like is we didn't go like all the way sketchy, so we actually have a cover that comes with it too. No, I could have had it open fully. We could have gone Subi mode here.
Dude.
We could have done Honda shit on here, but
Um,
what happens when you go domestic?
okay, so I gotta trim up this a little bit. Because that pulley is hitting the, well, wait, I could do.
Well, the only issue with that is I feel like that pulley goes inward whenever CVT starts cooking on. Does it go inward or
this
outward?
pulley goes out.
Okay.
See the spring?
Okay.
My question is...
Okay, impossible to get on with the motor bolted up.
But we won't have to do that.
Right, now the question is,
Oh boy.
Ooh, spooky.
That sir don't quite work.
Do we need another motor plank?
Why do I hear banjos?
Do you smell Mountain Dew?
In the distance. Hell yeah!
Like Mountain Dew and Bush beer. The certified way to store your motor. Always recommend.
Gas tank.
Avoiding all sorts of warranties here.
Don't worry, you're next.
Anybody for Harbor Freight is wanting to know, this is what I was talking about. They're not getting the motor back. Bonk. Yep, plank moved.
That's fine. I gotta get it in. Hey, guess what? We'll take the funnel with us and we'll have an angle in.
Well, it looks like we can push us forward now a little bit too.
Yeah, we could do that.
Because if we do that, we'll at least be at a good enough angle to where the cans I got will fit.
Well, guess what? With this one's clearance, we didn't need a cut. Look.
I know, I see this now. Oh,
Damn it, Sam.
What do you mean me? This was a backup plan. This is plan B. Do you have some like half-inch ply? We can make this work. I'm a carpenter, not a mechanic, sir. Why the hell are we working on race cars? I'm actually a pool guy.
Mechanic. It's funny, I'm a mechanic who works on small engines.
And you're approving of this?
This is my shit. I would not do this to customers. See, this is just showing I know what not to do.
No, this is just proving that we needed to be a race team because it takes both of our expertise here. Between my MacGyver skills and your mechanic skills, we can get anything together. It's almost there. It took 2 motor planks.
Motor plank. You heard motor mounts.
I'm telling you, that's going to get us like 5 laps from the judges.